Hi friends, let's go look around Hobby Lobby and see what they brought in for Easter. Okay, we found some bunnies in the front. Really cute bunnies for like a 3-tier tray for decorating. Okay, so this is tableware. Very cute stuff. Cute plates, a little mat, cute pillows. I love these pillows. I really love those pillows. Okay, and I love this white serving tray. So pretty. I want to buy that. And this is, I guess, a butter plate. I don't know. It's really, really cute. It goes with that other serving tray. I love that. I love these dishes. So pretty. And I love these towels, kitchen towels. This is a cute runner. They have some plates. Oh, and I love this. This is, it goes under your plate like a charger. Very cute. You can even decorate it if you want more stuff on it. Okay, so a lot of stuff. Cute wreaths, basket wreath, eggs, wreaths. Look how cute this umbrella is, guys. I just fell in love with it for the spring. Just hang it and put flowers in there. Beautiful flowers you can put in your front door. Love that. And it comes in pink and blue. So many, many wreaths, egg wreaths, signs. The sign was cute, blue, and it came in white. Happy Easter. Bunnies. So many bunnies. I'm going to give you a closer look in, at the wreaths. Little nests. Those are so cute. Cute little bunnies. I like these jars. Those are really cute too. I like the bunny wreaths, the little ones. Moss eggs. These are picks. They're really cute. I love this bunny wreath. And I like because it's white. Cute little bunnies. Carrots. More moss bunnies, which I'm loving the moss bunny and the carrots. Okay, and so, oh, I love this moss banner, so pretty. All right, and these are for the garden. These are really, really cute. These cute little bunnies. These are really nice for the garden. Okay, so this section is, for the Easter baskets, all the cute little gifts. They have a lot of stuff. I mean, chocolate, a little cute, those little Easter things. I just love the little bunny and the chick because it reminds me when I was little. We always had those for Easter. So, anything you can imagine, they have like coloring books, tattoos, so much candy, but cute candy, kind of like different, a little pricey, but they had some really cute things. And then they had so many different egg styles. And this is just the grass. So many different style of grass color. You're going to see here how many different things of eggs they have. It was so overwhelming, but I just loved it because it had so much variety. Those eggs, I guess they're just for DIYs. So this whole wall was eggs. Oh, and I like this grass for DIYs, and then I like this one to put like eggs in there or a little bunny for decorating. Okay, look at all these cute little stuffed animals for Easter. I just love this section. It just made me so happy because it was so pretty and so cute, for the little kids, and then for baby's first Easter. I mean, they had everything. The unicorns were so cute, the little chicks, and these were my favorite bunnies right here, and especially her. She was so cute and all dangly. I don't know, I just love these bunnies. They were very, very cute. And as you can see, they have so many things. And then they have for the little girls for the hair, anything you can imagine, any style, rabbit ears. Over here is baskets and baskets. So many basket, guys. Any kind of style that you can think of, they had it here. So what's great, it's a different variety. You know, everyone has different styles. So it's a good option that you go in there and you can pick something that you really like, I think. All right, so right here is for party, or if you don't want to use your plates, you can use those for Easter, which will be nice and easy. Sprinkles, many boxes, wrapping paper, they had cellophane, they had gift bags, wrapping paper, boxes. They had so many things, guys. And these are like garland. Those flowers are really, really pretty. I picked the pink ones up. And moss eggs, I guess, for DIYs. You could just leave them like that. Picks. So for decorating, if you're making a floral arrangement. More eggs. These eggs are really cute. I know you can DIY these eggs. But if you don't want to, you can just do that. Buy them. Alright, these eggs were really pretty. They were pretty heavy. And then I like when it said hope, believe, faith. I thought that was very pretty. Peace. More eggs. I told you guys there were a lot of eggs. More eggs on this side. Alright, so more baskets. I don't even know if I showed you these. Maybe I didn't. Look how cute this little bunny up there was. It's a wooden bunny. So cute. And the tail was so adorable. Alright, this is like just in the middle of the store display. They had so many bunnies. Too many bunnies to even show you guys. You know, just so many different kinds of bunnies. Okay, these are like stickers, more crafting stuff. They look like they're going to bring in more stuff. This is a moss for crafting, which is great. Little bunnies for crafting the moss. Just stuff for crafting. A lot of stuff, guys. Like I told you, stickers for dyeing the eggs. More little gifts I see. Crafting stuff. That glitter was so pretty. Okay, so over here they have a little St. Patty's Day, St. Patrick's Day. They had really cute stuff, so that's what I want to show you guys. And I love green, so that caught my eye. And you don't want to get caught not having anything green on for St. Patrick's Day, guys. So I like to put a little green. You got sprinkles too. Make some cupcakes. Okay, and then over here is just spring things for kids. They brought out a lot of cute spring stuff for the kids. That was for the little bug catcher. Alright, and here is for the barbecue. I wanted to show you this little section because they had the things out already. Very cute. Anything you can imagine for your barbecue. Love those placemats and love those chargers. Okay, these are a lot of like placemats. These are napkin holders, ring holders. Those are really cute. Okay, a lot of placemat, guys. Alright, I love these plates. I want to show you guys these plates. They're cotton stem plates, but the blue is so pretty. So pretty for the spring. I just love those plates. Alright, over here is all like white canisters, white bowls, everything white, but it's very, very pretty. Alright, bye. I'll see you in my next video, and I hope you like this video.